Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. It's safe for vinyl, leather, plastic, rubber, glass, and more. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars. It has over 41,000 ratings. It's a #1 bestseller in automotive, and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. So, do you want to keep your car's interior looking brand new without using a dozen different products? Well, meet the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, your all-in-one solution for a spotless, protected ride. This powerful yet gentle formula cleans and protects every surface: leather, vinyl, plastic, glass, and even your touchscreens without streaks or greasy residue. Dust, dirt, fingerprints gone in seconds. Plus, its built-in UV protection prevents fading and cracking, keeping your interior fresh. And the best part, it leaves behind a subtle fresh scent. No harsh chemical smells. One bottle, total interior car care to keep your car looking factory clean. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.